Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Hooray. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. I'm doing a review on pop-up veneers. Uh, all I can say is amazing. If you see my teeth, I have some damage from when I was younger. I chose to get gold teeth in my mouth, and it caused damage. It caused my teeth to rot, and I eventually had to get them pulled. So my experience with pop-up veneers has been great. They sent me my mold. It came in like less than a week. I'm gonna show that to you. And you get to keep your molds, by the way, if you ever need to do anything else. But this is the full outline of my teeth. As you see, I had some missing, had some spaces. They come in a great, cool, convenient carrying case. And mine are a little different. I chose to customize mine. They sell a pop-on bling. It's an option where you can decorate or customize your smile how you want. If you like me, throw a little sauce on it. But as you see, here's my bottom. Pop straight in. And here's my top. I chose to put the stones on the side. And as you see, gave me my confidence back. I think they look great. My wife thinks they look great. Like, honestly, I can't stop smiling. I love it. Highly recommend it. You won't be disappointed.